Alright, hello everybody. So this is just gonna be a quick announcement, not a video about painting or anything related here. So some time ago I posted on the community page that I can open a free Discord channel for all of you that would be willing and would like to get, for example, into this Discord channel and would like to take part in it. And to my very pleasant surprise, the vast majority of you said yes. The goal here was to reach 20 people giving any kind of answer, not just the yes answer, but any kind of answer, and then I would just see how many people were against it and how many people were in favor of it. And as it turned out, most of you were in favor of this idea. Sorry if I will be a bit stuttering, but I'm trying to wing all of this in one take and I have no prepared script. So moving henceforth, the Discord channel is ready. I have been reading a little bit on how the Discord works, and I'm gonna post the Discord link under this video. It should probably be visible from this moment also here, and I'm gonna post also like a community post, and then the link will be also available under every new video that I'm gonna give to the channel. So if you're willing, then please join the Discord channel. Everybody is welcome. The link has like no lifespan, if that's the correct word, so there will be only one. If there will be a change, then I will mention it in the future videos. So even if you go back to this video in 1 year, the link should, or 2-3 years, the link should probably still be valid. And everybody is welcome. I will be learning with you how the Discord works because I'm pretty new to this thing, but I would really like to have a platform to talk to you guys. I'll visit the channel from time to time, probably not as often as I would like to do it, or I should, but you're open to have discussions there, and I'll just jump in on some things and add maybe some pictures, talk to you guys as much as possible. And henceforth, I'm really thankful to all of you who will join the Discord, who have been giving likes, sharing the videos, subscribing to the channel. At this point, when I'm recording this video, I need only 3 more subscribers to get to 1K, so it's around the block. And yeah, basically that's it, guys. So thanks a lot. The link to the Discord channel will be available under every video henceforth, also under the short videos. So you're all welcome to join. I'll try to moderate it as good as I can. So see you on the Discord channel and in the videos, guys. So take care. The Emperor protects us always. Bye.